Welcome to Empire University, build an AI agency powered by HighLevel. What's up? My name is Jack, and today I'm going to show you their new live chat widget feature. Let's into it. So what's really cool about this live chat widget feature, and we'll start from the beginning, is you can use it to have AI engage on the live chat. They can pick email or SMS. That's going to help you with enrollment and compliance for text messaging. So what we're going to do on the left side dashboard is we're going to come into sites, and I'm going to go into the AI Empire. This is my main funnel that has all the steps, and I'm going to come up to the top right corner and I'm going to select chat widget. This thing's awesome. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a new chat widget. The all-in-one new feature. Check this thing out. So it can integrate with WhatsApp, it can do the live chat, respond on email, and SMS all in one place. So we're going to select on that, and we're going to customize this. So it can do live chat, email, and SMS. So choose a chat option to get started. Straightforward. Styles, blue, keeping it. Have a question, text us here. Welcome back. This is the custom greeting, and then we'll go customization. We'll replace this with Faith's profile picture. This is my AI employee Faith. We'll get her in there. Okay. Bottom right, good to go. Auto dimension. All right, chat window. I mean, that looks pretty good. Welcome. We'll enter. Give us an option to get started. We're just going to take that out. That's how I want it to start. Name, phone, send. Okay, we're going to keep that on there. This is a new little feature because you can respond automatically to everything. Business office hour setup. We're going to leave that off, and additional options. Let's check this out. So you can brand it, powered by the AI Empires. This is good if you're starting an agency. You want to have your branding on there. HIPAA compliance. Okay. Fairly simple. Messaging. Live chat. Ended. Rate it. Take your time. Okay. Easy enough. Let's see. Phone contact support. So put in your support email and say thank you. Ooh. And let's check out. Language is English. Is that it? Pretty easy setup. Okay. We're just going to click save. Now you have your AI able to respond to users or people visiting your site. They can select, hey, do I want to talk to these guys through text, email, or a live chat widget? This also connects, right? Because it is your live chat widget. Chat widget 3, it's the all-in-one chat. When you come into your settings on the bottom left and go into conversational AI, this bot that you've trained with your FAQ, let's see, that's in the settings, is already responding on live chat, Facebook, SMS, chat widget, Instagram, WhatsApp. So, I mean, we're going to take SMS off because we want that initial live chat to engage, but we do want SMS on, so we're going to keep that. We're just going to let our AI talk to customers on every single platform. And having that new live chat widget availability where customers can choose to either text, email, or do the live chat widget is going to help you with compliance and, again, streamline the process of providing that customer service or booking appointments using HighLevel. Check us out on Empire University. Today, we're going to be going over how to build an AI agency, and we're going to use chiropractors as the example industry because really it's transferable to a lot of different applications. And that's how you make AI effective, optimize the process. We're going to teach you how to set up your AI agent. We're going to teach you how to optimize those automations where it's like, hey, we scheduled an appointment, let's send a reminder. We're going to build those text reminders. So this is going to be the first full in-depth course that you can follow along, and it'll teach you how to build an AI agency from scratch on the AI Empires powered by HighLevel. Check out the free educational community, Empire University, and get started today.